I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for the invitation. I appreciate it.
So here is today's question. On my way out of a restaurant the other night, I had a terrible fall when I slipped on an icy step and hurt my back. It happened very suddenly, but I made sure my husband took photos of the spot where I fell. The hospital told me I will be out of commission for an extended period of time. Please let me know what I should do.
Well, I'm quite sorry to hear that, and I can tell you that especially this time of year, from December through March, slip and fall cases occur with a greater degree of frequency, have to be taken very seriously because based upon my experience at the Haymond Law Firm, we've seen some catastrophic injuries resulting from slip and fall cases. The rules in Massachusetts are relatively unclear as to removal of ice and snow. The landlord, the property owner, the person in charge and in control of the sidewalks or the premises has a reasonable period of time to remove the ice and snow. The question is, what is a reasonable period of time? And the case law, frankly, doesn't identify a specific period of time, unlike other states, which give specific number of hours to remove ice and snow. I would say especially in restaurants, establishments where people may be having a drink or two, and it's particularly an unsafe situation under those circumstances, so they have a greater duty of care. Again, I'm not saying that's the law, but that's how I would argue this in court, and hopefully I would be successful.
So this person took photos. What else do they need to do moving forward with this case?
Well, frankly, I would call the police. I would get an accident report on record immediately, and then call an attorney, because these cases should be pursued diligently and immediately. The landlords have to protect their patrons, and I would argue that they have an extra duty of care, especially in commercial establishments, to protect their patrons.
Thank you for your insight. And to ask the attorney your question, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.